This is the AW28. It is a radically redesigned look at a smartwatch in what looks like it could contain a traditional watch body. You got your step count, distance traveled, calories burned when you slide over. You've got a heart rate chart showing your high and your low, and your current heart rate will be computed instantly. One more and you're in distress. Yeah, and I'm not in distress. This is nice. I haven't had it that low for a while. I think I like this watch. You can go one more and get into last night's sleep information. There's the total showing you against the goal of reaching your 8 hours, and then your deep, light, and wide awake times are shown as well. Got a music player on this one. It can play the music from your phone through the watch nice and loud. Check the full review. We do a sample of all of that. By the way, you can switch it here so you're controlling the music in the phone. If you want it to still play through the phone, tapping that sets the Bluetooth up so that the sound will actually transfer to the watch. Much, much needed on a lot of these watches that will only do one or the other. We're down in the forecast. There's the actual weather. You've got the temperature in your area in Fahrenheit or Celsius, and you've got your forecast part. You saw that. And then your call information. Sure, it's a Bluetooth calling smartwatch, and a nice one at that. You got your contacts, call history, and you can bring up a dial pad and pump in your number right there if you want to. Ladies, it's all in here. You can tell once you set your parameters up in the app where you are and where you're going to be in certain time frames so you can do planning. And then we're back to the watch faces, which are controllable by the little twirly knob, I love to call it. I love that particular watch face. It just integrates well with the leather band on this one, and we haven't talked about the clasp yet. Let's look at the watch faces briefly. You've got a bunch of them. Analog, digital, and of course custom ones that you can put in like that one too. When you press the bottom button, you've got all of your different activities that you can do. No GPS in the watch, but it does tie to GPS in the phone if you want to do that. And of course all of your different apps, settings, activities, heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure are in here. You've got alarms, a music player again, camera, remote camera capability. A couple of things that are new, a world clock in this one, and you can put in stocks from the stock market. And if you're tied through your phone, through the internet, you can get updates on that like right away. Google Siri or Google Siri. That would be unique, wouldn't it? Google voice assistant or Siri. Sorry, I know that, I didn't like hearing that. And we're back around the list. You've got them in circles or honeycombs, however you'd like to present the data. Now, the clasp is really something. Have you ever seen anything like this? I have to literally come in here and with force lift it to open it up. I can adjust it by moving the leather here in and out and pulling on it. Oh, it's really a wild clasp. And it's a very interesting, unique watch. For what it does, it's a basic stopwatch. For what it looks like is, wow, that is an eye catcher. Really, really nice design on this one. So I would say, yeah, go for it. If you like this style, it would add to your collection immensely. It's the AW28. Check it out.